So this is how the recess light works. And as you could tell, it's only so much room around to be able to cover the hole. And this is the hole, and as you could tell, this, when I cut this, is so bad cut that I don't know if I'm going to have enough to cover that, so I'm going to have to fill this portion in here so that then I can put the cover, the light actually, the recess light with the ring around it to cover the hole. So this is what I'm doing today, fixing the mess. The same thing I'm doing on this fan cover, because as you could tell, it is not covering all the way because that hole was not made correctly, and it's also, I'm going to have to kind of make sure that that is covered with mud and tape. So those are some of the things that I'm doing today. So I'm going to make this Easy Sand 5, which takes about 5 minutes to harden and to work with. So I'm going to make it in a small container like this, and it's going to take me longer. I don't want to go and buy a 45-minute or do it with a regular mud. So I'm going to do it, but it's going to take me at different times to come and clean this again and again. That's what I have, 2 buckets of water to clean it. And then small portions to be able to do the work that I have to do today. Again, I'm trying to save, and I have this, and I'm going to use this, even though it's going to take me a little longer, rather than going about half hour to 45 minutes to go buy this at the store. The 45, I need to use this now. So today I'm fixing some of the things because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm going to have to fix all of this mess. These are some butt joints. I should have done it in a different way, but because these sheets were too hard for me to put up by myself, I had to cut them. But yet again, I think I could have done a better job, and I didn't. Right here, and where the light is going to be, this can lights, recess lights, when I cut the hole, again, because no what in the world I'm doing, I cut them too big. Now I have to fill it. There's 1, 2, 3, and then I have to fix inside there the fan. So all of this I had to fix. Again, it's taking me longer because I didn't know what I was doing, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go through YouTube videos and etc. But you still have to put it to practice and do it right. When you don't know, then it takes you at least 4 times longer than what you should be taking. So this is part of what I'm doing. I'm getting my mud, and then I'm going to try to put it around this in here. This is difficult. So see, this is what I'm trying to do here. See. Try to fill that hole. There's a big hole in here. So now I'm going to be cleaning again my container. I'm going to leave it here in this water so that I can go and clean those areas. I needed to get me a rag. I'm going to get it damped so that I can use it. So I'm going to be cleaning all around here, all of this inside the rim here, and so that everything will fit correctly when I put the new covers there. So anyway, I'm doing this in here. Oh my goodness, I'm creating a mess in here. Anyhow, so I'm utilizing this to clean around. Hopefully this is cleaned good enough. So this is the way it looks now. All of those is kind of flush in there and clean right in there. Yep, it's done.